Fire me up. Fire me up. Good morning. And welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. To the building of the world's first 5-coded AAA game. Come on! Wake up! For $25,000. Let's go! Wake up! So. I gotta catch you guys up a little bit because I did do a tiny bit of building off stream this weekend. Nothing crazy. But I gotta show you what we did, where we're at. Let's make sure that we're actually live. We are live. Let's go. Nothing crazy. Let's fucking go. Let me get it loaded up. Let me show you what we're talking about. Boom! Boom! All right. Here's what we have. Here's what we have. Here's what we have. Dreadnought. We have made an intro cutscene for our game, Dreadnought. Dreadnought is a moon-based zombie game where the zombie does, in fact, happen to be levels. Play the cutscene. Let me get this full scene. Let me get this full screen. Play the cutscene. Ah! Yes! How good is the cutscene? And then we're right into levels running at us. And you gotta take him out. We're just gonna hope that he thinks that's fun and not weird. All right, we gotta pick our level up. Let's do 12% movement speed. Easy peasy. What's up, Felix? How you doing? All right, so the red zombie can run ultra fast, but has half health. Okay, and that just adds some variety to the people attacking you. Oh, I might be dead here. I might be dead here. I'm not gonna lie to you. I might be dead here. All right, so levels is running at you. You got to be shooting them as fast as you can. Today we're gonna push this live to the server, so you guys can play around with it. We're also going to add a. I'm gonna do more damage. Let's open this up. Oh, we got one-shot kill. Come on, where's the bad guys? There they are. One-shot kill. One-shot kill. One-shot kill. Add a breeding mechanic. I don't think we're gonna do. What exactly? Hold on. Felix, what exactly do you mean by breeding mechanic? What exactly do you mean? All right, right, let's get this out of full screen. All right, so cutscene's pretty dope, isn't it? Play Dreadnought, levels, turns into a zombie, and then boom, you're right into the game, and level zombie is running after you, and you got to take them out before they take you out. That's pretty fun. That's pretty fun right there. I don't know. They're either gonna think it's fun or it's disturbing. Either way, it's good. I like it. So, let me see what's live on the server. Real quick. All right, so the cutscene is not live on the server, and also the new enemies are not. The new level zombies are not live on the server either. I want to make little babies with other players that help kill zombies. Felix, that's crazy. It's 9:30 on Monday, and we're talking about breeding with other players to kill the zombies. I need you to wake up. I need you to wake up, Felix. Alright, so I'm gonna get this ripping. We'll say, please patch the local updates to the server, including the new zombie character and the intro scene. Is it gonna be multiplayer? Make it so I can breed with the zombies. You're out of control. You're out of control. Reverted loading bar is back. No. That's not what I said. Oh, I don't have Whisper open. No, I do have Whisper open. Please patch the updates to the server from local, including the new zombie and the intro cutscene. Yo, why is Whisper not working? What the fuck? Please patch. It's possibly going to be multiplayer. It depends. God. What is wrong with you guys? You guys are out of control. Make it so you can breed with... There's a lot of... Maybe I should just get rid of the combat and just make it mainly breeding. Nino, what's up? How we doing? Please tell me something good. Please tell me something good here, brother. Alright, please patch updates to the server, including new zombie and intro cut scene. All right, you want to see the update, bro? I'm gonna show you Nino what we got going on here, and you're gonna have to tell me if this cutscene is going to be taken as this as this cutscene is taken as like, dude, that's awesome, or this cutscene is taken as that's too far. Here's our intro cutscene. Play Dreadnought. So there's level zombie, right? And now he's running at you, and you got to take him out. And they're all over the place, coming at you. I do feel like we need to lighten it up a little bit. Make. I don't know. We definitely need more color. So I think any sort of map design we're gonna do, we need to add some color to it. All right, so that's patching to the server. We gotta do. We gotta write down some of our goals here as far as what we're gonna get done. What do you think about that cutscene, Nino? Is that cutscene too much? Or is it just perfect? What do you think? So goals. More is more. Yes, it is. Goals. I'm not making a Roblox game, and I'm... Goals, add breeding animation. No. We're going to... The first goal is going to be... we need to add super mutant evolution. Okay. The second goal is going to be creating map structure. And then the third goal is going to be storyline through map. Beautiful. Beautiful. All right, so what this means is the first goal there, add the super mutant evolution. We have to add this guy in right here that we made. Okay. So this is like the advanced state levels, right? So we have this guy. Now, why is it not loading? Hold on. This is the first stage zombie. This is the second stage zombie. Okay. First, second. We need to create a cutscene where, like, maybe once you get to wave 2, he evolves into this one, and this one's going to be more difficult to kill and do more damage to you. So that's our first goal there. Add the super mutant evolution. Second goal, creating the map structure. We have to add physical structure to the map that guides you through, like, basically the storyline, similar to, like, Call of Duty Zombies, where, like, as you go wave by wave, you can pay to unlock doors. And then once you get to the final area, there's going to be, like, a rocket ship or something like that that takes you off the moon so that you can go to, it's like the win state of the game. There's no... There's no breeding with that one. No. You're in timeout. And there you go. You're in timeout. All right, we're in timeout until we can figure out the breeding. What? So this is deployed. Let me see if this actually works live on the server. We'll refresh. We'll do a force refresh. Yes. That's not it. Right. On the server, the cut scene isn't starting from the beginning for some reason. It starts like 1 second in. Okay. There's not really like a lot of real estate for all this shit. I guess if you were just coding and you didn't have a game open, you could just have that mainly. Or like, I guess a 5K screen would come in handy for like streaming and all that. For some reason, this is starting too far into the cutscene, which we don't want. And the gun is not, oh my god. Alright, that's fixed, great. I'm gonna say, okay, it's doing the thing where the hands and gun are invisible again. This has to do with file permissions. Fix it, please. All right, great. And then where are we going? All right, so we are going to we're going to look up a moon colony. And then we have to figure out how we can make our way through a moon colony. Just like you would with Call of Duty Zombies, so it has like sectioned off spaces. So the game is about, it's basically like zombies on the moon. And it's for the Vibe Jam. The most did it load all right on your computer or not really? I'm trying to optimize the files to make them a little bit smaller. But Christoph, I think that's how you pronounce your name. Christoph, the game is like space zombies. So I'll show you real quick. We have this cutscene where Levels turns into a zombie, and then we're dumped in the moon, and we have Levels zombies running after us, and you basically have to kill them before they kill you. And you get power-ups from what they drop, and then every level you get to choose a power-up, faster movement, bigger magazine, faster reload, whatever. And there's these rocks in the ground that you open up to get more health, more ammo, all of it. It was bugging. Yeah, it was probably bugging because I'm doing updates right now. Let me see if the gun is loading now. I know. Levels at the beginning is absolutely nuts, and I'm gonna have another cutscene too, where it goes from that version of zombie Levels to super mutant version. He's either gonna think it's really funny or he's gonna be upset about it, but we're gonna find out. I mean, he put on the Vibe Jam. It's his Vibe Jam, so whatever. But this is super mutant Levels that it will upgrade to. All right, so let's add the super mutant evolution, and let's do that between wave 2 and 3. So we'll go. I already downloaded this, so I should already have this. Let me see. I've been working on this for a couple days now, but just like 2 hours at a time. So I better win. I better win first place. No, there's a lot of good games out there. At first, I was thinking it was going to be very easy to win in first place because there were not like a ton of great games, but after looking at the rest of the games, I'm like, oh shit, now there's actually some decent games. All right, so let's copy the green hulking character. Let's actually rename it first. We'll rename this to level super mutant. And then we'll put this in the game files and we'll say, I'm just gonna say for now, after wave 2, can you replace the current zombie with the level super mutant GLB I just added with the same settings. What's up? What's up? How you doing, Dragon? What's going on? You want to see the game we're working on? You want to see what we got? We got zombies in space. Sort of like Call of Duty Zombies, but in space. Power-ups, one-shot kill. You can open these rocks. We're still building. We're still building. All right. Would be way more intuitive and easier hand movement. It was bugging, not showing enemies at first, but then reboot did it. Thank you, Dragon. Thank you. Appreciate it. What would be way more intuitive and easier hand movement? Alright, done. Waves 1 through 2 spawn the regular zombie. Wave 3 plus spawns the super mutant. Alright, let's rip through these real quick. And let's see if it has it. Change shortcut V to E. Oh, yeah. I actually think you're right about that. I do. I played a lot of Fortnite, unfortunately. So V was always interact. And that's why I set it as V. But I think you're right. We should change it to E because like I think that most people are used to hitting E to interact. All right, look way smooth. I know. I can't believe in literally in 3JS inside the browser. You can get 270 frames per second. Insanely smooth animations for everything. And you can just vibe code it. Meanwhile, there's these games out there that are making millions and millions of dollars that have terrible mechanics. The game runs awful low frames. Like, I'm just some dude, I have no idea what I'm doing. And I created a game that is way better, frames, reload. I mean, the shooting is great. Everything feels really good. All right, so here's the new zombie. Oh, it's great. It's kicking. Oh, it's so good. Oh, it's kind of going to kill me, though. All right, I'm dead. Because they spent thousands on marketing saboteur. Yeah, I know. I know. It sucks, though. And like, the video game market right now is awful. Like, there's Arc Raiders who, they did a really good job with it, and I feel like they actually cared about, like, what they put out. Like, you could tell they're artists, you know? Like, everything looks beautiful. There's, like, awesome sound to the game, and it actually runs somewhat decent. Hulk zombies, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Hulk zombies. All right, so we're going to push that live because that was fucking awesome. I'm going to say, okay, that was awesome. Please push that live to... Oh, shit, that's the wrong one. Okay, that was awesome. Please push live to the server. Okay, great. I feel like the game is getting a little bit either too challenging or I'm just not, Oh, it's already live on the server. Great. Is the game's getting too challenging or I'm just not playing good at it? So, we'll go to Google AI Studio, and then we're going to get the cutscene started for, the zombie upgrading from the regular level zombie to the upgraded zombie. Alright. I'll be back in literally 3 seconds. Alright, I'm back. Gamers love challenging the game. Should trigger their ego. Yeah, it should. Oh, he's back. He's back. Felix, you have staying power. I'm not gonna lie. It's okay, Felix. We forgive you. How'd you find this channel, Felix? From X or from YouTube? All right, so we're going to go, I'm going to grab this in here. We got to make the cutscene, okay? So the way we're going to do that is we're going to take this image that we have currently right here, this one. We're going to generate a second image with the new zombie on there, okay? This zombie. Okay, so we're going to make it with this zombie. First image here, second image here, and then we are going to put it in Kling and make an AI video of it evolving from, oh shit, no, this is not the right one. This one right here. This one, we're gonna make a video of it evolving from this zombie to this zombie super mutant. Okay, with an AI video. And when we get to wave number 2, the cutscene is gonna fire. And we're going to play some sort of awesome soundtrack like, oh no, the zombie's evolving. and then you're going to hear some sort of awful shriek in the background, like, "Roar!" and it'll cut right back to the game, and they'll be running after you like crazy. So let's go ahead and make this happen. First, let's prompt it. So I'm going to say, okay, perfect. Replace the guy in the photo with this mutant. And we'll hit run. And then we're going to go to Super Mutant MP3. God damn it. It's okay. It's okay. I don't know if we're gonna add a breeding animation, guys. Unfortunately. How did you find the channel? Is that from X or is that from YouTube? And are you the same person? Also. Small correction needed when game over. After wave. No. Kills. Make kills. Nos. After world kills. That's the craziest chat ever. What does that mean? Small correction needed when game over. After wave. That's excellent. That's really... Oh, you're the same guy. But... I don't get it. It's NOS, numbers. What does that mean? No. No and no. Can you guys hear the text to speech, or is that just only on my end? Because I have chat to speech. I think you're the same guy. How can you prove you're not the same guy? No. I bet you it doesn't like that. I'm gonna have to redo this. Oh, you can hear the text-to-speech? That sucks. Because right now when you guys comment, it plays what you guys are saying in my headphones. I don't understand how it's not playing over the stream. You want to breathe it? Okay. Well, that's fair enough. No, you do. You still do. I got a crazy idea. Thank you. Listen, I may have put you guys back in timeout for a second, okay? But please don't go. I'm relying on you guys for the stream views right now. Alright, we gotta download this. We gotta put that in there. It shows like this, wave 1, 0 kills. Instead, show wave 1. Oh, yeah. That's a good idea. That's a good idea. Let me see what that looks like, actually. I don't know, though. I feel like that's pretty clean, isn't it? You don't think so? 3 kills, wave 1, 3 kills. Score 50? You don't like it? Wow, we are making no progress right now. No, we're making lots of progress. All right, so like I said, adding this guy in there, and then we're going to create the Kling AI video. This is going to be what we're going to use to create the video between the animations. Don't worry about these TikTok ads. Okay. Gonna hit download. Why is it not downloading? I feel like there's something wrong with Google AI Studio today. It's like not loading. I just caught on thinking. But I really don't want to use something else to try to make these. Failed to generate content. I'm gonna try a different model. We'll do this one. We'll do rerun. And we'll see if this one can get it. We'll use Nano Banana Pro instead of Nano Banana whatever. Instead of Nano Banana Flash 3 preview. Nope. I must have it somewhere. Maybe I don't. So I can't even download this shit right now. Google AI Studio might be screwing us right now. What's up? What's up? How you doing, Wolfie? No. So we might have to go to ChatGPT and see if that can generate the image for us instead, because it seems like Nano Banana Pro is fucking us. Oh no. Oh no. How many accounts do you have? You have endless accounts. What up, Udon? How you doing? Good morning, good morning. Endless accounts. Oh, you're back. All right. What about? Was it keep the moon landscape the same, but replace the man in the photo with the super mutant? I don't know if it's gonna be able to do this. And also, it doesn't even let me pick, like, 9x16 or anything like that. I might have to, like, just do it with Photoshop or something. It's gonna suck because I'm gonna have to make the shadow and shit, which won't be good. We're sorry, but the image we created may violate our guardrails. Are you fucking kidding me? Alright, we're gonna have to do new chat. Link. Come on. Can you replace the zombie on the moon with this super mutant guy for... Alright, which is only... Something's gonna work. I know it. It has to. Alright, back to the moon colony. Let's figure out how we can make stages so that you can progress through it. Something like this could be good. Where you have to, like, go inside, maybe? Yeah, maybe we have a dome. Maybe we have a space dome that you have to go into. We just have to create an end state for the game where you go in and then you can take off and leave somehow when you win the game. Oh, like this would be so good. Something like this with like glowing plants and shit. Or a structure like this that you went inside of. That's going to be way past the scope of what we're doing here. Methinks. I don't think this is going to work because it would have already done it. God, it's irritating. Like maybe we try to, well, really, there's almost nothing we can do right now because even creating the map structures, we have to have Nano Banana. We have to have Nano Banana make the structure and then we have to convert it to a 3D model. But since Nano Banana is literally not working at all, let me just see if it can make anything. Make a picture of a lemur. We'll see if it can even make anything, or if it's just completely down. Is Nano Banana down today? There's no down detector. Oh, it would seem like Nano Banana is having some issues. No. Maybe. Shit. So it's just failing for some reason. All right. We're not going to waste any more time on this. We're just going to open this in Photoshop, unfortunately. We're going to open this with Photoshop. Remove background. Not really that high res. copy, paste. Kind of fucks things up a bit. Let's go deselect, select subject, remove. Okay, and then we'll go like generative fill. Fill in the moon and space background. See if I can nail this. We're rolling. No. Why is it doing that? No. Oh God. Why? Wait, does this get covered? Maybe. No, it doesn't. Fuck. Okay. We're gonna delete this. Okay. And then for now, we'll make this invisible. We'll select this. Generative fill. Fill in moon and space background, no characters or planets. Let's see if that works. Generate with Firefly fill and expand. Okay. This might work. I think we're just gonna have to go with this. Like, it's not good. But we're gonna see what Kling can do to make it good. Then we'll upload the new one. No, this is not what we want. Video generation. Add start frames and end frames. Alright, here's the start frame. And then we're going to add the end frame. Oh. And we'll say, have the zombie evolve into this super mutant. Generate. No. What? Why? Oh, we're out of tokens? You kidding me? How can we bring it down? 27? No. Oh my god, we're 6 credits short. It's gonna drive me insane. Why is that more? $25. We're 4 credits short. God, this is ridiculous. 35. 35 still. 35 still. Come on. This is insane. All right, we may or may not have upgraded. And it didn't even dump us back out to the the video creation page. You're kidding me. Okay. Please. Have the zombie evolve into the mutant. All right, that is generating. We're gonna let that generate for 1 second. Okay, what do we got? It's so bad, but I think we're gonna have to go with it. All right, we'll download this. It is not good. We're gonna cut this down so it's just like the evolving animation. Then we're gonna have it say the zombies are evolving. Okay, center that. And then we're gonna make this red. We're gonna make this Arial bold. We're gonna add a shadow. Over there, the graphic kind of hides how bad it is. You know, we'll take that off and we'll just have that. Alright. Export this. We'll just have the zombies are evolving text handled by the game instead of having it, instead of having it actually on the video, like hard-coded. Okay. Export. I'm gonna say, can you have the zombie evolution MP4 play after you select your upgrade after wave 2 when it switches to the new zombies like a cutscene. Let's see. That's pretty bad, I'm not gonna lie. Flow is wave 2 complete. 2-second delay. Upgrade menu shows. Player picks upgrade. Flow is wave 2 complete. 2-second delay. Stop doing that. I hate that it auto scrolls for you. Wave 2 complete. 2-second delay. Upgrade menu shows. Player picks upgrade. Select upgrade. hide upgrade menu. I need to intercept this at wave 2 after the upgrade is selected. Play the evolution cutscene, then resume. Alright, let's check it out. Boom, first cutscene. So we have to make it through 2 waves and then see if it plays the second cutscene. Alright, wave 1 done. Faster movement. Get some ammo going. Wave 2, 8 enemies incoming. Feels like a lot of enemies, but oh well. Come on, give me a one-shot kill. Yes, there we go. Alright, wave 2 complete. So after I select this, the cutscene should be playing. Which it did not. Fuck. But we do have the upgraded zombies. I also feel like we should make these guys a little bit bigger. They're too small right now. Let's see if it plays here. Nope. Player completes wave 2. Upgrade menu appears. Say cutscene did not play. Can you add console logging? Alright, we're engaging the Fairlife protein shake. 40 grams of Pro Prop. Strawberry. Alright, let's try it out. We gotta play through to wave 2. Wave 1 done. Where's the zombies? Oh shit. I'm about to die. I need these guys to drop health. Come on. We need that. No, don't die, don't die. No. Okay, wave 2. So it should play the cut. Yes. Okay, those videos are pretty bad. So we're going to blur like the background image. We're gonna blur the video and have it I'm gonna say, okay, great. Have it darken and slightly, very slightly blur the video and have flashing large, bold, red text come up saying zombies are evolving. I guess let's play through and try it again. It's ridiculous that I'm doing it this way, but oh well. Basically, instead of having a dev tool, it's forcing us to play the game, which is good. Wave 1 complete. Grab this gold. Get one shot kill. Beautiful. And again, yes. Nice. Beautiful. All right. I'm gonna say have it even darker and more blurred. And that's gonna be perfect. Add a button for now in the menu so that I can play this cut scene. Which is what we should have done from the beginning. So I think after this, we're gonna have to leave off there because I'm gonna have to figure out how to get Nano Banana working with 3D models and get the map structure and all that, but I'll do that later tonight. So this is sending it to the server. Oh, nice. All right. Refresh here. We'll go to the menu, test evolution cutscene. Zombies are evolving. Nice. Let's see it one more time. I guess. It's not great, but it will do fine for now. Cool. All right. We got the zombies upgraded. Super Mutant, we got the cutscene. Next time on our goals, we got to create the map structure and add the storyline to the map, and then we will have a finished game, and we can submit it for the Vibe Jam.